Question: what are the four great realities? The four great realities are the four rays, or the four tas. Anu ta, Atem ta, Aten ta, Amun ta. These are the four great realities. Listen to reason. Who and what is the Supreme Being? The Supreme Being is almighty nature, all space, all matter, and all time, all people, all places, and all things. This is the Supreme Being. Listen to reason. Almighty nature exists in two opposite forces. The first force is mind, or Nupu. The second force is death, which is Zupu. Listen to reason. What is the nature of nature? The nature of nature are the laws and cycles of almighty nature. Birth, growth, maturity, decline, death, gestation, birth, maturity, decline, death, around and around and around. Listen to reason. What is the highest force of nature within almighty nature? The highest force of nature is 9 ether, which is all of the creative chemicals and electromagnetic powers in creation. 9 ether exists in the top half of the circle of space, matter, and time. 9 ether is the highest force of reasoning, known in ancient Greek philosophy as nous. 9 ether is the highest force of creativity, life in its extreme. Listen to reason. The opposite side of the circle is a state of scientific death, known as Zupu. Zupu is 6 ether. 6 ether is 9 ether in death, meaning that all of the creative chemicals and ethers and electromagnetic forces that existed in 9 ether have achieved a state of scientific death. So we call Zupu, Almighty Zupu, the state of scientific death on the lower half of the circle of space, matter, and time, and we call Nupu the state of life, the upper half of the circle of space, matter, and time. Question: where are we existing right now in the circle of space, matter, and time? Right now, all of nature exists at rock bottom in the circle. This point is known as free ether, meaning all of the creative gases and ethers of nature are in a state of absolute scientific death. This is a time of the rulership of the spiritual beings of death, also known as ghosts. Ghosts is what is called God, and is the spiritual religious ruler of this time, and is symbolized by the Egyptian deity Osiris, who is the god of the underworld.